Radiation sounds scary, but let me bust a few myths before we talk safety. Myth 1. All radiation is deadly. Not true. Radiation just means energy moving through space. There's non-ionizing radiation, like radio waves, Wi-Fi, visible light, that doesn't have enough kick to knock electrons off atoms. Then there's ionizing radiation. X-rays, gamma rays, some particles that can damage DNA. The danger lives mostly in that second category. Myth 25G fries your brain. It's non-ionizing and heavily regulated. It can heat tissue at very high power, but your phone isn't a microwave. Myth 3. One X-ray equals sign cancer. Risk isn't zero, but it's small. Doctors weigh benefits and minimize dose. Okay, what can ionizing radiation do to humans? At high doses, fast, think nuclear accidents or unshielded sources, you can get acute radiation syndrome. Nausea, fatigue, skin burns, hair loss, organ damage. At lower doses spread over time, the main concern is increased cancer risk because DNA damage can slip past repair. Other effects include cataracts, fertility impacts at high doses to the gonads, and for the skin, erythema, basically a radiation sunburn. Context helps. We measure biological effect in sieverts. Everyday background radiation averages around 2-3 millisieverts per year. A cross-country flight, extra cosmic rays about a few microsieverts per hour. A chest X-ray, roughly 0.1 MSV. A CT scan can be several MSV. Meanwhile, a banana's potassium gives a tiny fraction of a microsievert. It's a fun comparison, not a health hazard. Also, ultraviolet light is non-ionizing but energetic enough to break bonds in DNA. So yes, the sun can mutate cells and cause cancer. Different mechanism, similar outcome. Now quick safety tips that actually matter. Time, distance, shielding limit. Time near strong sources, keep distance. Put dense stuff between you and the source. Concrete, lead, water. That simple trio saves lives. Know your home's radon risk. Radon gas can seep from the ground, especially in basements, and it's a leading cause of lung cancer after smoking. Be smart with the sun. Use broad-spectrum sunscreen medical imaging. Ask, will this change my care? If yes, it's probably worth it. Bottom line, radiation isn't a movie monster, it's a tool and a natural part of life. Understand the types, respect the doses, and use simple habits to keep risk low. That's how you stay safe, and skip the myths.